Letting off firecrackers. Real Madrid leading by 3 goals to 1. Paris Saint-Germain picked up by Benich, who's carried his run on here. The left back turning up in the inside right channel. Sergio Ramos made sure he got no further. Fight to Lucas Vazquez. Benich with the challenge. Looking for Cristiano Ronaldo and finding him. What a ball that was. Benzema here with a chance. It's deflected behind.
From Asensio on a plate. Benich thinks he's got it, but he didn't. And then Benzema just gets that little bit deflection corner. But what a break from Real Madrid. That's what you've got to expect from them. But defense
slipping inside. Ronaldo says, leave that to me. Vazquez tries to find Ronaldo again. Ronaldo goes down. Benzema on the turn.
The 1-2 that they play here, and they nearly get Ronaldo in. There it is there, bang, and there's the return ball. It nearly drops down, and it does drop. Benzema a little bit on his heels there. Benzema is in an offside position as soon as he goes to get those.
Fizzed in, Sergio Ramos, and they can't force home the rebound. My goodness me, nearly and the skipper, very nearly the man who delivered it.
Well, what a save that is. What a save that is from Mariola. There's Ramos, he comes across the near post, goes with his left, but wonderful save, a reactional save, and
certainly got it in his locker. It's taken the deflection off the wall. It will be a corner. Side, Mbappe bent towards the far post. You could see what the idea was. Di Maria, Cavani went to the near post. That was a pre-rehearsed move. Paris Saint-Germain still looking for the breakthrough they need. Di Maria won the ball back again, and he had a right to expect. Wide, Di Maria's first touch in there towards Cavani. Goalkeeper grabs it at the second attempt. Down the side for Mbappe. Flag stays down here. Difficult angle. Goalkeeper always favourite.
He's got a square.
Alves into Angel Di Maria. Cavani looking for a flick on again. It's spreads the play to Benich. Di Maria now to break.
Sensi able to reverse it in for Lucas Vazquez. Loop cross back post. Ronaldo. Is that game over? Is that tie over? It is a 9th straight Champions League game with a goal for Cristiano Ronaldo, matching Ruud van Nistelrooy's competition record from 2002-2003. And we said even from the kickoff, all Real Madrid need is that one moment.
And it's PSG careless in possession. We've just been singing the praises of Marco Asensio and Lucas Vazquez. Well, here's Asensio, and then a little slip pass. Watch the run from Vazquez there. He checks into space. Rabiot doesn't follow him, and then look at that ball. Just stand it up for him to your talisman, the striker. 9 straight games in the Champions League with a goal for Cristiano Ronaldo. He's been quiet, relatively quiet for his standards throughout this first half, and then there was never any question where this one was going to end up. As you see him rise up, heads it perfectly.
Flicking a running behind.
Here comes the change to be made. Up comes Thiago.
Di Maria deep to the back post. Thiago Silva back in front, headed, deflected, and in.
This one just comes through traffic. It's very unfortunate. And I think Cavani gets the last touch here as Casemiro looks to clear this one. Just hits him awkward height on the knee, bounces in off. See there, Pastore does a good job of heading that one down with speed into the ground, and it comes to a height for Casemiro that he can't even react to it. He sees it late, bounces off.
Pastore got the first touch. We'll see who it came off last. 20 minutes to go. They need 3 more.
Marquinhos with not a very good header. Marcelo, Benzema, and then Asensio.
Planned against Cristiano Ronaldo, who's going to hand off for Vazquez. Bale was wide open there. Poor clearance. Casemiro deflected. That'll do it.
Tackle. Here it is. Makes an intercepting tackle. Now watch his run from deep as Cristiano Ronaldo picks up the ball. He has a look, And then that is a full sprint in the 80th minute. 30 yards to get in front. Now he misplays the pass here, and it fortuitously falls to Casemiro, but the deflection takes it in the back of the net. But this is created from Vasquez, who was trying to find Bale, and it takes a net.
Unai Emery's time in charge of them.
Now, John, if you run this all the way back to where Lucas